Hey guys, I'm going to show you this video mainly, well, I'm making this video so that you can see what I want you to do for your Works Cited page. Okay, so a couple of things. One is if you are trying to give me a Works Cited entry for something that you found on the net, okay, like you found on the internet. This is what you have to do. All right, I'm going to do the first one for you, which is technically the Why the Best Kids Books Are Written in Blood. I'm going to do that one for you. So what you do is you go to it and you click on copy your address for whatever your article is, okay? And then go to easybib.com. Now, Easybib does make you watch a video, but once you do, you can do it for 48 hours, I think. So I just muted it and listened to it. Okay, so I've actually already done this, but when you get to Easybib, it'll ask you to paste your address in, and so you do that, and then it'll ask you for other information. If you know it, go back to your website and kind of look and see if you can find some stuff. I didn't really have to find anything. Create citation is what you click on. You want MLA 8. That just means it's the most recent. And then here is my citation that they created for me. So I'm going to click copy. Then you're going to go home or go to Word. Now I will put this in there for you. Okay. So okay, there it is. Okay, so let's say you want to create this anyway. You need to know how to do this. 1, let's change it to Times New Roman. 12 is fine. I'm going to go ahead and put the title. The title is always Works Cited. It's only Works Cited if you have just one. Let's see, I'm going to do spacing is 2. I would go to line spacing options. And I'm going to click on special and hanging. Once I do hanging, that helps me do what I want, okay, for Works Cited. All right, so when you're here, go ahead and put your citation there, okay. Now, the only thing I don't like, I definitely want this to be perfect. Okay, so when you get this in Hines, this is probably what it's going to look like. It'll have just this here. But a lot of you have that censorship and overview article. So what we need to do is we need to go to Hines. And I feel like I have Hines somewhere. Let me do this. I want to go back to library. So you click on, let's see. I may have already passed it. I'm recording. Okay, so let's just open up a new thing and go to Hines. All you have to do is go to Hines. You don't even have to get in there very far, and you click on library. And I'm going to put this in here, and I think it was censorship and overview. I have to log in 102 times, so okay. I may have to actually look for it again. I don't see it. Okay, so let's do your censorship article. So let's say you're doing To Kill a Mockingbird. And I would simply just put, to find it again, just put the name of your book and censorship. This is if you have a Bloom's literature one, okay? Okay, so that's not it. Here it is. You're going to see it because it's going to say Bloom's literature. So click on it. And then over here, you can do several things to get it, but I would cite it. And you scroll down and you see MLA. Oops. All right, so do this, copy it. All right, let's go back to our document. And then you simply paste it. Now you're going to have to do a couple of things here. One is do the spacing and then line spacing options and do hanging. I'm not crazy about that because you can kind of see where it was copied, so I'm not crazy about that. And that doesn't look like it's on 10 too. Okay, there's so many problems with this. All right, let me go back and see if there's a better way. Site export, add to folder, Google Drive. Let me see here. If you click on it, okay, so I may do this. I may pretend like I'm going to print it, and I'll put in MLA. All right, and here it is right here. Now, I'm going to put it right here. Okay, that's better. All right, I'm going to chunk that because that's ridiculous. Okay, so go ahead and change this to Times New Roman. Take it to 12. Make sure we're in 2.0. Make sure we're now in line spacing. So change it to hanging and OK. All right. So that's how you do that one for each one of your censorship histories. Like you just got to put it in here and fix it like that. Now this one will already be there, and then I'll find that censorship article and do the same thing there as well, okay? But you'll have to do your 3 censorship histories, and you're going to put them in order, alphabetical order, and you should have a total of 5, 3 of these, and then the other 2 that I'll include in there, okay? All right, if you have any questions, just ask me in class. Thanks, guys.